Dreamy. Taste. Hey friends!
Today we are drawing an ambulance. Let's get started. We will start by drawing the tires of the ambulance. Now we will draw the ambulance bumpers. Now we will draw the body of our ambulance. It's time to draw the lights. These help in better visibility. Now we will draw the windows. Draw the ambulance symbol. At last, draw the ambulance's siren. Coloring time! First, we will color the tires black. We will color the bumpers black as well. Now we will color the lights yellow. Now color the ambulance siren and symbol red. Color the inner circles of the tires gray. It's time to color the windows blue. At last, color the strip green.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video!
And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.